So I was scrolling through your comments on this channel, and I happened to notice one comment that really stood out for me. This person says they've been trading forex for uh, nearly 2.5 years, but they have not yet become consistently profitable. Unfortunately, they didn't say by what ratio are they seeing profits and what ratio are they taking losses. But they are asking me, should they keep going on or should they quit? Unfortunately, I also don't understand like their current financial situation. Like, are you trading forex part time? Are you trading forex full time? Uh, what's your current situation? But in any case, I'll try and give some pointers. By the way, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. Like this video, that's the only thing that I will ask you to do on this channel. Otherwise, everything that we give out here is for free. Whether I'm giving out these tips or I'm just entertaining you. Probably I'm talking rubbish, but you love the entertainment. It's still entertainment for free. So please go ahead and like the video. If you are looking for forex robots, indicators, books, and stuff like that, all for free, there are links in the description box below. Visit those links and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. People also ask me about the broker that I use. See the link in the description box below. So going back to the topic for today, this person has been trading for nearly 2.5 years. They have not yet reached the point where they are consistently profitable. Should they quit or should they continue trading? What are your thoughts? Leave them in the comment section below. Let's help this person. So I'll just give some ideas probably to help this person decide whether they should keep going on or whether they should just quit forex trading. So the first thing that you probably want to look at is uh, the ratios. When you say you are not consistently profitable, you have not seen any success for the past 2 years that you've been learning to trade. Currently, what's your ratio? Like, out of 10 trades, out of 100 trades, how many are you winning? How many are you losing? Because I know many people, they beat themselves up for 50% success rate. Winning, if you take 10 trades and you win 5 and you lose 5, some people will bash their head against the wall. They feel they are doing terrible. Some people, they take 10 trades, they lose 6 and they win only 4. They bash their heads against the wall. Some people, they win 7 out of those 10 and they are still not happy. They are still not happy, trust me. There are people who can win 8 trades out of 10. Those people are still not happy because what we always desire in life is perfection. People always want 10 out of 10. People always want to make it 10 out of 10, 100%. Unfortunately, in Forex, there is nothing like that. I'm the first person, if you've never heard of it. Nobody wins 100% all the time. So what you first want to look at is your winning ratio. When you are not happy, are you like 50% success rate? Are you winning by 60%? Are you winning by 40%? Are you winning by 70%? Of which I feel if you are 45%, 50%, 60%, you are doing well. You just need to look at several things that are probably preventing you from going up to 60. If you are doing 60, you are actually doing better than many people out there. What you have is a good, solid base for a spectacular trading career. If you are doing 60%, don't look at people who are showing off on social media. I think that's one of the things that gets us down. Here you are, you probably have your 60% winning ratio, but you go onto your Instagram and you see these people, they are like, their life is perfect, their trading careers are perfect, like their records, it's always 100%. They are killing it. Then you that puts you down. That puts you down, that you are not good enough. These people, same age, same country, same situation, these people are actually winning all their trades, they are making so much money, and you are here, you are only 50% profitable, and you are not even making as much money as they are making. They are running around with these cars, these chicks, and living in these fancy houses. It can put anybody down. I understand. So, what you also want to understand is, on social media, I promise you, everybody is a success. On social media, everyone is successful. So, don't let what the next person is doing, what the next person is saying, what the next person is showing, put you down. If forex trading is what you want to do and you have not reached the level of success that your peers have attained, that should not put you down. That should actually be motivation for you to actually work hard to be where you want to be. So those are some of the points that you need to consider. You also then need to relook at the way you are trading, the trading style, the things that you are doing. That's why it's important to keep a journal, so that you can actually go through why you are failing, why you are not seeing the success that you probably should be seeing with your trading. Then we also look at time frame. When you say you are nearly 2.5 years without realizing the success that you thought you'd have attained by now in forex trading, what's the average? What's the average time frame for traders to actually become successful? You find that if you check many people, I've heard people like professional traders now, like people that you really admire. Uh, some of them they took 3 years, some of them 4 years, some of them 5 years, some of them 6 years to see consistent trading success. Now, when you look at them, they are driving their Lambos, they are driving their Ferraris, they are living in big houses, they are making all this money. We only see a person the way they are today. We don't see the struggles that they actually went through 5 years ago. That's the problem. We only see people when they are now successful, but we don't actually go and see when they were really struggling. So, for you, you might still be struggling today. Probably your success is on 3 years, it's probably on 4 years. But still, I'm not saying you should keep going on depending on your circumstances. If forex, for example, is a side hustle for some people, forex is a side hustle. It's a side business. It's something that they do on the side. It's like investing. It's something for passive income. Otherwise, they have their businesses, they have their careers. Either they are athletes, either they work actual 9 to 5 jobs. So forex is actually for extra income. Those people can actually afford to remain in the game for a long time because they have other sources of income to cover what their bills, their expenses, insurance fee, school fees for the kids, housing insurance, car insurance, fuel, and stuff like that. But if trading is your full-time employment, your full-time source of income, and you are not seeing the results that you think you should be seeing, or you are not making as much money as you thought you would be making, certainly you are not meeting your bills, you are not meeting your expenses, then certainly you need to really look at your financial situation. Do you need to find a job? Do you need to find another source of income while you learn this trading thing? Before you attain the success in this trading thing, you probably need something just to support you as a source of income. So a job, a business, a side hustle, another source of income, so that you don't stress about bills when it's not working out. The rule is usually that you should have maybe a year's worth of expenses saved up before you start trading forex full time, because success is not like that. It's not in an instant. So I understand the situation that you are in. That's why I'm trying to give you all these points to consider. Also consider that sometimes we anxiety and depression is there. Anxiety and depression is out there, given the global situation, the pandemic, and everything that has happened since. Anxiety and depression, they are out there. So, do you want to quit because you are not succeeding, or do you want to quit because of depression and anxiety, because you're just in a dark space in your life during this time? Some things that you need to consider. If you're not really making a lot of money in trading and things are not really working out, and probably your winning rate is still below 30%, then certainly you don't want to be trading your like with huge amounts. I always tell people that I love my broker because you can trade with $5. You can practice with $5. These micro accounts for $5, and you try and try and try as you learn. Otherwise, you have another source of income somewhere. Then with your $5 accounts, you can certainly try out whatever you'll be learning, because you need to actually devote time to this and learn it the right way. So it also means that you actually need the correct education. Sometimes you probably are failing because you had the wrong education from the beginning. The people who taught you, there's a lot of scamming and games going on in this industry. So either the person that taught you, probably they did not taught you right, or probably you had a mismatch between your character and the strategies that you were being taught. It also happens. So that's why I said you actually needed a journal to actually go through the why you are losing. You need to understand why are you losing, the trades that you are losing, what's going on, what's happening. Is it not that you are paying attention to the news? What's going on? What's really going on? So this will then determine in the end whether you should go on or whether you should quit trading. Maybe in some weird way, it might be true that this is not for you. Let's not hide from that. It might not be for you, and that might be the truth. We are all not meant to be doctors. We are not all meant to be engineers at NASA. We are not all meant to be like famous mathematicians. We are not all meant to be famous business people. Some of us are meant to be just farmers. And I'm not looking down on farmers. They are essential. Some of us are meant to be cab drivers. Some of us are meant to be bakers. Some of us are meant to be butchers. I'm not looking down on them. What I'm trying to say is we've got different purposes in life. What's your purpose in life? Of course, you might want this forex lifestyle. You just want this lifestyle, but probably it's not for you. You the way you were meant to be in this world, your purpose in this world is to be a musician, is to be a painter, is to be a designer, is to be something else other than trading. So we should not shy away from that. If you've tried everything else and everything seems to just not, it's just not working out. Period. It's just not working. Period. Then probably I would agree with some people would say, no, it's probably better that you quit and you find your purpose somewhere. You can be a famous carpenter. You might not even be famous, but you actually be a successful plumber. You might be actually a successful gardener or something like that. So it's some things that you just need to look into. Otherwise, aware what other people think. Should this person quit or should they continue trying this trading thing? Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Like this video. Until next time.